Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily add music to your Instagram story without losing quality, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Instagram and then tap on the profile picture on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. From here tap on settings and privacy and then scroll down. Keep scrolling until you find data usage and media quality, tap on it. Make sure you have the data saver turned off and the upload at highest quality option turned on. Once you're done from that, go back to your home screen and then tap on your story in the top left corner. From here choose the video or the image that you want to add as a story, and then from here tap on the sticker in the top. After that, tap on music. In here choose the music you want to add to your story. Tap on done. All you need to do from here is to post it and the quality will be the same, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.